Corvette. We done made some progress off camera. This is the monster transmission that was in the car originally. I'm gonna see if I can sell that for parts, get money off of it to put towards the bill. I already purchased the engine for this, so I'm just waiting for that to come in. And as y'all know, this hood is heavy. To take the hood off of this bad boy, and we're gonna get the pressure washing the inside just to get all the dirt and grime out to get ready for the new engine to get put in that bad boy. So without further ado, let's get into it. So we got the hood off. We got 3 different products. This was just this isn't purple power in here. This is some product from Walmart, degreaser or something like that. I got another type of degreaser, and I've also read about oven cleaner also being able to help take off a lot of the grime. But you see here we are dealing with a filthy surface. So I got the battery disconnected, and I'm just gonna go ahead and saturate all of this. So I didn't do much recording. My GoPro batteries are jacked up. I got one left, and this has been charging all day, but I got the bottom of it all clean. Right now I'm just going to take some zip ties and get all out of this wire and harness out the way. I know that we're going to at some point have to do some wiring with some of this, so I don't want to cut any of it yet, but I will zip tie it and get it out the way. That way when we get the new motor in, we could easily guide it in and not have any of this obstructing the way in path. So I'm going to attempt to set y'all up and do a little bit of a more time lapse. And I'm sorry I'm not talking as much. I need to be talking more, but I'm more focused on getting this done. I kind of feel like I'm on a time crunch, so I just been working at it, going at it. Yeah, that's where we're at with it. I will let y'all time lapse this. So did not time lapse that, I apologize, but I got the wiring harness strapped up. The only reason I didn't take all of that out is because I know I'm gonna have to tap into some of these wires with the ECU that comes with the other vehicle. So got enough clearance to at least slide that bad boy in there. Of course, it'd be a lot easier if I could, you know, drop the subframe and lift the car up, but we doing it in the driveway. So anybody that's looking for performance 305 parts, I got a 4-barrel carburetor. I still have the monster transmission over there. If you want it, come get it. I'll cut you a deal. Demon Dog came outside too. But that's all I really got for y'all today. I was hoping she came over here. That's all I got for y'all today. It's your boy J-Lo signing off this bad boy. Just one more look at that bad boy before I finish. I'm definitely gonna make this something, so definitely want y'all to see the progress of the vehicle. I need to start recording more, but that's all I got for y'all today. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy, and it's your boy J-Lo signing off. Peace. Bye.
Tomorrow.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo back again with another video, and today I think y'all gonna like this because I've been talking about this for years. The engine has finally touched down. This is a 5.3 LS1. I think it came out of a 03 Chevy Suburban. This is off of eBay. I know I could have done this cheaper if I would have went to the junkyard and pulled it myself, but didn't feel like going through the hassle of, so I just went through eBay, and they have certain guarantees or whatever. So if it blows up, I may be able to get some sort of reimbursement through them, regardless of the fact this is going to be a budget build. This assembly came with the entire wiring harness, all accessories. Of course, the fan is coming off, but it came with all the accessories. ECU, pedal control. This is drive-by cable. If that starts to become a problem, I will swap to drive-by-wire. To my understanding, it's just as simple as swapping the throttle body. I think there may be a different connector on that bad boy. And then also, too, I think I may have to swap the ECU for it to be able to read that or get it flashed. Today I'm not gonna mess with it. This is just the unveiling of. I got the transmission as well. So 4L60E transmission, the entire wiring harness came with it, ECU. I'm going to have to swap the tail shaft from the 700 R4 to this, and they have an adapter that's from the 6-bolt to the 4-bolt, and I know that'll probably extend this housing a little bit, so I may have to figure something with the drive shaft, but that wouldn't be that big of an issue. I am gonna go ahead and put it in the garage today, but I'm gonna take it apart, put it on the engine stand. I went and bought an engine stand too. Put it on the engine stand, get to work, slowly rebuilding it, taking my time with it. But I'm also too kind of on the time crunch, and I'm trying to do this again as budget friendly as possible. The only other things that I'm waiting for, I have to get the fuse box because it didn't come with the assembly. So I got to get the fuse box. I have to figure out wiring, and depending on the application of the car, we may be able to get Chevy Suburban fuel pump and put it in the vehicle and just make lines to go to the intake into the return of the motor. So that I have to figure out, but it will be indeed interesting. This is just phase one of it. I'm gonna do it as budget friendly as possible. I know you can go to the junkyard, get these a lot cheaper than you could. The way that I did it, I just did it that way to, again, reduce the hassle and kind of get a guarantee behind it depending on what goes wrong, if something goes wrong. But I got all faith in it because your boy finna put his time into it. We already have motor mounts for the vehicle. We're waiting on that. We're waiting on the fuse box. And outside of that, man, it's just getting it done. I'm done rambling for today. If you are excited, it's not really an if. I know you're excited, and I love y'all. Thank y'all for rocking with your boy. It's your boy J-Lo signing off. This guy.